Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Litecoin from Trust Wallet to Metamask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your Litecoin assets seamlessly, this guide is perfect for you. By 2025, with advancements in blockchain interoperability, sending Litecoin might involve bridges or wrapped tokens, but we'll keep it straightforward. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Metamask set up on your device. Trust Wallet is great for mobile storage, while Metamask is your go-to for Ethereum-based interactions, and we'll assume you're using a compatible method for Litecoin. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Litecoin wallet. Ensure you have some Lieutenant Colonel ready to send. Double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Step 2. Tap on the Litecoin asset, then select the Send option. You'll need to enter the recipient address. Head over to Metamask on your browser or app, create a new account if needed, and copy the wallet address from there. Remember, in 2025, Metamask might support more chains directly, so look for any Litecoin integration options. Step 3. Paste the Metamask address into the To field in Trust Wallet. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. They can vary based on congestion. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Trust Wallet PIN or biometrics. Keep an eye on the transaction status. It should show as pending initially. Once it's confirmed on the blockchain, check your Metamask wallet to see if the Litecoin has arrived. If you're using a bridged token, it might appear as a wrapped version, like WLTC. A quick tip. Always verify addresses to prevent sending to the wrong place. Crypto transactions are irreversible. If you run into issues, like network errors, ensure both wallets are on the correct network, such as the Litecoin mainnet. By 2025, tools like cross-chain bridges could make this even easier. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's level up your wallet game together.